Hello all. Previously we have seen algorithm and flowcharts in our previous videos. So in this particular video we will see pseudocode in programming. Pseudocode is an informal way of describing the steps of an algorithm or program solution without concentrating on programming syntax. So pseudo means fake, and pseudocode is nothing but a rough code, and in this pseudocode we will use English statements. So we do not concentrate on programming syntax, and we will only tell in a informal way. So it is an informal way of describing the steps of a programming solution or in general an algorithm. So in this pseudocode we do not concentrate on programming syntax. So syntax means rules of programming, and in the pseudocode we do not concentrate on programming syntax. So that is the meaning of pseudocode. So we will see some of the examples how to write pseudocode, and there are no particular rules as such. So we will see. This is like a English like statements. So there are no rules to we need to follow these kind of steps in order to write pseudocode. There are no such rules. So let us try to see the examples. Previously we have seen some examples for algorithms, right? The first one is find the sum of two numbers. First one is we need to start the algorithm. So there are no need to mention start and stop in pseudocode. First we need to initialize the numbers into variables a comma b, and then calculate sum is equal to a plus b, and then we have to print the sum. And there is no particular rule. We have to write pseudocode like this only. Your own English you can write the pseudocode. First we need to assign the numbers to variables a comma b, and then we can calculate sum is equal to a plus b, and then we can print the sum. In your own way you can write the pseudocode. That is well and fine. And in the second example we have seen find the average of three numbers in the previous algorithms and flowcharts videos. Now we will see how to write pseudocode according to this problem. First we need to initialize numbers into variables a comma b comma and c, and then calculate sum is equal to a plus b plus c. Once that calculation is done, and we need to calculate the average by dividing sum by 3, and then we have to print the average. And then we will see another example called conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit. First we need to input Celsius in a variable called C, and then we have to calculate Fahrenheit by following this formula called 9 by 5 into C plus 32. In C programming language, for into we will use star, but in pseudocode there is no such rule. We need to use the syntax only, because we do not concentrate on syntax. And then once the calculation is done, we can print the Fahrenheit. This is what the pseudocode means. We do not concentrate on programming syntax. It is an informal way of representing an algorithm. That's it for in this video. We will see in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.